Sceptre E248W-19203R 24 ultra-thin 75Hz 1080p LED monitor 2x HDMI VGA built-in speakers, metallic black 2018. 24 ultra-slim profile. Contemporary sleek metallic design. Slim bezel with thin chassis. Power range, VA, Hz, AC-DC adapter input 100-240 VAC, 50/60 Hz, 1.0A, max. Output 12 VDC, 2.5A power consumption, typical, 25.4 watts to HDMI ports, convertible to DVI. Contrast ratio 1001. VESA wall mount ready. HDMI Input Signal Support 1920x1080 at 75Hz, 1080-60p, 1080-60i, 720p, 480p, 480i, built-in speakers 2x2W 8-ohm. Mounting type, VESA hole pattern 100mm x 100mm. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.